this is room 412.
Good evening. How can I help you?
I'm sorry to bother you, but it's really noisy next door.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell more about the noise?
It sounds like loud music and shouting. It's been going on for a while.
I understand. Well, send someone to check up right away.
Thank you. I'd really appreciate it. I've been trying to sleep.
Absolutely. Your comfort is important to us.
Is it possible to move to another room if it doesn't stop?
If the noise continues, we can arrange a room change for you.
Okay, thank you. I hope it gets quiet soon.
We'll do our best to resolve quickly.
Will someone call me to follow up?
Yes, I call you back about 50 minutes to update you.
Great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Sorry again for the inconvenience.
No problem. I just need some rest.
We completely understand. We'll take care of it right away.
Thank you.